Friends, you may be interested in buying a house, your first time house purchase, or maybe you're looking to upgrade your house and you're wondering how much house can you really afford? Well, let me tell you what certified financial planners would kind of give guidance on. And that is, first and foremost, that your house payment should not exceed 25% of take-home pay. So whatever your take-home pay is, let's say you have $4,000 a month take-home pay, then it says that payment can't be more than $1,000. Like it can be, but this is the recommendation. And that when you add that house payment, right, that house payment is just the principal and interest payment. It does not include property taxes, insurance, and PMI. Okay, that's just your principal and interest payment. Then it says your primary payment, that principal and interest payment for the house, plus all other debt payments. So if you have debt on vehicles, if you have student loan debt, you have credit card debt, that this should not be more than 18%, adding up to 43% of take-home pay. In general, if you can keep your total payments to 43% of your take-home pay or less, you can generally thrive financially. And so I would encourage you, if your payment is 20%, well, maybe you could have a little more debt. Of course, if you're able to become debt-free and have no other payments except for your house, this can increase and you could still thrive. And so you may be in a position where you're like, hey, we're outgrowing this house. We need to get a bigger space, or interest rates are up, so the payment is higher right now. How do we lever up so that we can be able to move into a larger house? I would tell you the biggest way is to get rid of your non-house debt payments. That will enable you to be able to take on more of a payment and still thrive. One other thing that you could do is boost income. Of course, we would all love more income. How do you get that? Well, certifications, education, and more demonstrable value to your employer usually can allow you to get more income. I would encourage you to check out a free website called salary.com. Many people are highly underpaid, particularly people who have been in one place for a long time. They believe that their company is advocating for their income, and their income is actually way below market value. Hey, make sure that you're getting paid your full market value. Check it out at salary.com and go get yourself a raise. That will always help you be able to accommodate more of a house payment. Get fired up.